Aloha, Chef Teton here, and this is what I would call my coming out video. Many of you have known me as a chef. I've been a nutritional educator and a culinary chef on healthy foods, raw food, cooked food, Ayurvedic, bone broths. I covered a big territory for many years. I started out as an agricultural, environmental foodie in the beginning, but it's been about 14 years since I did my DVDs, and that was when I produced them when I was 60, I think 1 or 2, and now I'm 74, and a lot of things have changed for me. Many things, and particularly in the last 5 years as I began to, just as I was approaching 70. And then on my 73rd birthday, I came down with shingles. And it's a good thing I was fairly healthy, although I had really slipped. I went down hard. It was the most painful, agonizing, debilitating disease, sickness that I'd ever had in my whole life. And it taught me a lot. And what it's done, and why I'm doing this video now, is to tell you that I'm still going to really focus on food and nutrition, of course, but I am going to start speaking about all the integrated self-care practices that really help me restore my body and to revitalize my body. And there's like this restoring, this reboot, and then to get your energy back up and to be vital again. And this is the journey I took and what I learned. And what I want to be sharing with you in the next coming months and years, we'll see how long, is I'm going to go into a whole practice of how to build a body to last a lifetime. And I'm super excited about it because as I've learned that these integrated practices are so vital to our future. And many of you know that, some of you probably know the video I did, a year or two ago about imiola. Imiola is a Hawaiian word that means how to reach, it's a practice, how to reach the highest form of well-being in your life. Not just well-being, but the highest form of life. And many of our seniors nowadays, and where even our 50-year-olds are headed, are not in their highest form of life. They're sick. Dementia is huge, cancer, digestive issues. Autoimmune diseases, they just go on and on and on, and people are really ill. And we are being deprived of the wisdom and the relevance and the asset that our seniors can be. And we have many people, a huge segment of our population heading there. So I really want to inspire and encourage a practice of self-care that's integrated and that can prepare our body for aging. And this is going to be the focus. I'm going to call it How to Build a Body to Last a Lifetime, to restore, revitalize, and to prepare. And so I hope you'll join me, tune in. I'm going to have a lot more videos. I have one coming up next that will go into just briefly the areas that I'm going to be covering. And one of the things that I want to say that was the most important is support. I learned how valuable support is, and I just found out too recently that there's studies that are showing that we have an 85% more of a success rate when we have support. So let's support each other. I want, 85% success rate in what we want to accomplish. This is what's really important because so many of us have goals and dreams and things we want to do. And we need support, and I need support. And so I am going to show up the best I can to help support. Let's support each other to build a body to last a lifetime. And so welcome and aloha, and I look forward to hearing from you and how this all feels to you and what it fits for you and what are your needs and concerns as you move on into your senior years. Aloha.